Hi everyone. I just wanted to send another quick video. I know we're all figuring this out and trying to get it to work, but if you could show your kids tonight how to turn in assignment rather than share. So I sent that video link and I'll link it again in this email, but when they just share it with me, it sends me an email and it sends me to like edit their work rather than on Google Classroom. When they click turn in on Google Classroom, it tells me that they're done and it allows me to go in and make comments on how they did and submit a grade on Google Classroom, which is what I have to do for now while we're doing the distance learning. And then and the other thing is I will return the work to them. And I have a lot of kids sending it back to me. Once it's returned, if it has a grade on it, they're done. They don't have to send it back to me. It shows them their grade and any notes that I might have put on the actual assignment. So some of the kiddos' math, the subtraction, I had to return because they didn't quite get it correct on there, and I didn't want to put a grade for what they did turn in. It's really hard to do that subtraction on the computer. I would really encourage you to get them just a piece of scratch paper, or if you have a whiteboard at home, something for them to write the problems out, and then they can just type the answer. If they have the right answer on the slide, I'm going to assume that they solved it on a piece of paper because it's really hard to do that in your head. So I trust that they wrote out the work and solved it. You can also attach a picture of their work to it if that makes you feel more better about it. But if they can just work out the subtraction problems on paper, if it's too hard for them to do it on the computer, that would probably be best. I did have to return a couple of kiddos' papers. So if you see in your child's Google Classroom that it's been returned and it has a grade on it, that means I've already graded it. They're good to go. If it does not have a grade on it and it's returned, that means that there were some things I wanted them to fix. And if you go in, I either circled in like a green circle what I wanted them to fix, or I put a comment, can you please fix this, for them to know what I need them to fix. So go over that with them about Google Classroom, and then the turn in button again. That way I can mark it as done in Google Classroom on my end. All right, guys, thanks. If you have any other questions, feel free to call me. Bye.